Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. So first and foremost, open up your Binance. Now let's assume you have some Solana on your Binance. First, head back to your Phantom wallet now and get the address. So I'll open up my Phantom wallet like this. And once you open up your Phantom wallet, it will take some time, but it will later on open up. Alright, so you have to be patient until it's downloading. Once it's downloading, it will show you the interface and you'll be go ahead to do whatever you want. So guys, it takes some time to load. These wallets are always like that. More so Phantom wallet. Okay, so finally it has finished loading. So right now click on Solana. When you click on Solana, click on receive, then copy this address over here. Once you copy this address over here, okay, so I'll copy it once again. Once you copy this address, head back to your Binance. Now once on your Binance, remember you're transferring from Binance to your Solana, or sorry, to your Phantom. So click on wallet section here, then click on withdraw, then send via crypto network, the first option, then select Solana, then send via crypto network, and now paste this address over here. When you paste it, automatically the network will be detected as Solana. So right now you can input the minimum of 0.5 Solana that you can send as a minimum. So for this case, I'm assuming you want to send like 80 Solana. So once you click on that, just click on withdraw like this. Once you click on withdraw, it will automatically head to your Phantom wallet and you'll be finding it right here. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.